Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you.
A modern, two-story home with sleek glass walls, surrounded by vibrant greenery and colorful flowers, illuminated by soft, warm lighting from within. The house features a unique angular design, with large windows framed by lush vines and foliage. The exterior is a blend of dark materials and natural elements, creating a harmonious relationship between architecture and nature. In the foreground, a garden filled with blooming red and pink flowers contrasts with the rich green grass. The scene is set during golden hour, casting a warm glow and enhancing the lushness of the landscape. The aesthetic combines elements of hyperrealism and contemporary design, emphasizing a serene and vibrant atmosphere. Serene Japanese garden scene featuring a modern minimalist house with large glass windows, blending seamlessly into the landscape. The setting includes a tranquil pool reflecting the lush greenery, with smooth stones leading to a small waterfall surrounded by vibrant foliage and rocks. The color palette consists of earthy tones like greens and grays, highlighted by soft natural light filtering through the trees. The aesthetic is hyper-realistic, showcasing intricate details such as ripples in the water, textures of the stone, and delicate leaves, creating a peaceful, harmonious atmosphere. A few pieces of minimalist furniture are visible inside the house, enhancing the overall sense of calm and relaxation. A beautifully constructed greenhouse with a glass roof, framed by sleek black metal, nestled in a lush tropical garden. The greenhouse is filled with vibrant orange and yellow flowers, adding bursts of color against the greenery. Surrounding it, a pathway made of light brick leads through well-manicured flower beds in shades of green and yellow. The backdrop features a charming, rustic brick house with a warm, earthy tone, complemented by the soft sunlight filtering through the tall palm trees. The overall aesthetic is hyper-realistic, capturing the intricate details of the plants and architecture, with intense colors and rich textures that bring the scene to life. A tranquil Asian-inspired retreat featuring an open bamboo structure with wooden flooring. The interior showcases minimalist furniture with soft white bedding and warm, ambient lighting. In the foreground, a serene pond dotted with green lily pads reflects soft evening light, surrounded by smooth stones and lush greenery. A small waterfall gently cascades into the pond, adding a soothing sound. Tall bamboo stalks frame the scene, enhancing the sense of seclusion and harmony with nature. The overall aesthetic conveys a serene, hyperrealistic atmosphere, emphasizing natural materials and peaceful color tones of green, brown, and soft gold hues. A cozy greenhouse surrounded by a vibrant garden, featuring a weathered wooden structure with a metal roof and large glass windows. The scene is set during a slightly overcast day, casting soft, diffused light across the landscape. A winding stone pathway, lined with lush greenery and colorful flowers in shades of orange, purple, and yellow, leads to the entrance. The garden is full of blooming plants, with tall grasses and wildflowers creating a natural and inviting atmosphere. Rich earthy tones of the stones contrast with the vivid colors of the flowers, evoking an impressionist style that captures the tranquility and beauty of a rustic retreat. The setting is lush, with hints of trees in the background, enhancing the serene ambience. A whimsical cottage deeply entwined with nature, featuring a textured stone chimney and an organic, flowing architecture that resembles tree shapes. The exterior is adorned with vibrant greenery and colorful wildflowers, creating a lush, enchanted forest atmosphere. Warm, inviting yellow light spills from the numerous windows, casting a magical glow that contrasts beautifully with the deep greens and browns of the surrounding foliage. Glowing mushrooms and soft, pastel colors dot the foreground, adding a touch of fantasy. The scene is set during twilight, with a soft, dreamy haze enveloping the area, lending it an impressionistic quality. The overall color palette includes rich greens, earthy browns, and warm yellows, creating a serene yet enchanting ambience. A whimsical cottage deeply entwined with nature, featuring a textured stone chimney and an organic, flowing architecture that resembles tree shapes. The exterior is adorned with vibrant greenery and colorful wildflowers, creating a lush, enchanted forest atmosphere. Warm, inviting yellow light spills from the numerous windows, casting a magical glow that contrasts beautifully with the deep greens and browns of the surrounding foliage. Glowing mushrooms and soft, pastel colors dot the foreground, adding a touch of fantasy. The scene is set during twilight, with a soft, dreamy haze enveloping the area, lending it an impressionistic quality. The overall color palette includes rich greens, earthy browns, and warm yellows, creating a serene yet enchanting ambience.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.